Welcome to cuteOffice ERP, which helps to streamline the entire company operations starting from human resource, time attendance, leave, payroll, procurement and inventory, sales and customer relationship, including accounting. In this video, we will see how a user can make a material request and how it gets approved by authorized for either procurement or store issuance. To make a material request, users can go to the menu Inventory and click Material Request. The list of existing material requests are shown along with its current status. For example, some requests are approved and some are in RFQ stage after approval and some are cancelled, etc. The following are some of the various statuses of material requests. Click Add for making a new material request. First and foremost, any material request should be associated with a project. Select a project and provide a brief description on the purpose of your request. As a requester, if you know the supplier, select the supplier name. Otherwise, leave it empty for the procurement officer to handle it. Select the shipping address. It will be by default the office address, and choose others if you want to deliver to some other address. For adding the items to the request, click Select Items. Items are categorized and select the category of your interest. The items that are in the selected category are shown here. Select the items, enter the quantity required, and also choose the required date. If you need to add more items, click Add More Items checkbox here so that the dialog won't close when we click the Add button. So click Add. The items are actually loaded to the list and proceed to add more items that are required. So once all the items are added, click Close. So whatever items we have chosen in the screen are actually shown in the list here. If some items are not available in the list in the dialog, which are actually pre-registered items, the users can also directly enter new items that are required. Click Add, enter the name of the item and its specification, choose the category, unit of measurement, and enter the number of quantity required. Enter the date it is required, so the procurement officer actually can chase the items to be delivered on before that date. So click this Add button again, and you can actually add more items to the list. Finally, once we have all the items added to the list, click Submit. The material request is created and a reference number is assigned to it. The request will be sent as a notification to the approver, so that the approver can actually look at the request and then review it, and then they can approve it. The approving workflow is customizable for every organization. It can have multiple steps. It can be reviewed, approved, then recommended for purchase. In some companies, it can be directly approved and then directly it can be taken for purchase. Every action happening on this request will be notified to all the parties involved, such as the requester, approver, etc. Once the request is approved, the request is taken over by the procurement team and they will create the RFQ and then they will proceed to do the procurement. For more details on the cuteOffice ERP and the procurement module, please contact Cutech Infocom Solutions. Thank you.